drive it in the city. Maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call.
Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm D. If you are new, it is 4:57 and y'all know your girl just got off work. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul with y'all. I'm making chili, a pot of rice for Mister, and some buttermilk cornbread. I was gonna make lima beans and stuff, but I was gonna make lima beans with pigtails, rice, cube steak and gravy, and buttermilk cornbread. But when I got at Aldi's, they didn't have no lima beans, so I had to switch up the whole meal. Y'all know it's still been raining and stuff every day, y'all. And I just been on a low frequency, just coming from work, taking my shower, laying up and watching my TV and just relaxing. So I'm like, should I start a vlog? Should I worry about a vlog? But since I got something to vlog, y'all, I'm just vlogging. Thank y'all so much for being here. So first thing I got is some eggs to top off our eggs. Mr. Love these brioche buns. I told y'all about that. We got 2 things of bagels. We did have breakfast for dinner last night and we enjoyed that. So I'm thinking that's why he picked up all them bagels like that. Then these cookies, y'all know I always tell y'all these cookies are so bussin'. They have some with the blue label, and these, I haven't tried the blue label, but the ones with the orange are good. Then I got some diced tomatoes for the chili, of course. Then I got some kidney beans. I got 3 cans of these for the chili. I got the 2 chili seasoning packs. I got me some green onions. I got me some almond milk so I can make some protein shakes with that protein powder Mr. got me. I got some buttermilk for the buttermilk cornbread. I got some tomato paste also for the chili. I got some sour cream also for the chili. And I got a bag of apples for my lunches. I'm gonna be off for 2 days. I got some from Goodwill too I need to show y'all. And I done sold another pair of shoes. So, baby, in the morning, I need you to drop off the pair of shoes that I sold, and I need you to drop off my giveaway winner purse, because I've been supposed to send that out to her. So let me get the meat right quick, y'all. Okay, y'all, first, Mister got some chicken backs. If you're making like a soup or a dish and you need it to be filling with meat and you do not want to pay a lot, I done never had started eating backs before. I didn't even know they sold backs, but Mister did. So he got 2 things of chicken backs for whatever he gonna cook. Got 2 things of ground beef. I'm gonna use one tonight. I got some smoked pigtails, 2 packs. That's a good price. And then he got these chicken leg quarters for $10, and that's all he picked up. I'm gonna wash my hands and wash my dishes and get started, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, quick and filling. It just needs to simmer. It is getting there. Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday the 13th. I'm up prepping some chicken. It is 8:13. I am about to make me a protein shake. Y'all, I had got this cup. I don't know if y'all remember Five Below, like 2 years ago, they had the black and beautiful cups with the matching shirt. This is the cup I'm about to use. To make my protein shake. And I'm about to use this gold standard protein that Mr. got me from BJ's. And I'm gonna show y'all my Goodwill find. I was off yesterday too, but I just cleaned up, did my laundry, and just rested. So yeah, it's time to get the vlog on to going. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you have liked, make sure you comment, and make sure you are subscribed to your girl. I'm gonna make this protein shake real quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all my Goodwill find. Right, y'all, this is my Goodwill find. I love it so much. It does need to be sanded. I paid, they had it for $19.99, but I had points with Goodwill. I'm gonna get Mr. to sand it down for me. I've always wanted one of these. It is very heavy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but this is more for like Christmas time. I'm gonna put the candles on it and decorate it. And this is gonna be something I'm gonna do for Christmas. And y'all know it's gonna be metallic gold. It's gonna be so pretty with what I'm planning to do for Christmas. I love it so much. I wish I would have had two, but I'm so glad I got this one. And yeah, this was a great find for me, and I love it so much. All right, y'all, it's a little after 11. I just took my shower, and I got Developing Minds giveaway purse packed in a bag. I don't want to show it because I want everybody's bag to be a surprise. This is long overdue for me to send out. Mr. did take my shoes that I sold yesterday to the thing, and I totally forgot to put her giveaway win in the car for him to take. So I'm about to tape it up now, girl. So your giveaway box will be on the way. When I leave out for work in the morning, I'm gonna make sure that's the first thing he does is drop this off. Thank you so much for your support, and you will be getting your bag soon. Also, y'all, I don't know if I ever showed y'all my rechargeable under the cabinet lighting. So I ordered this from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. It was time for me to recharge them. They have all kind of different settings and color changing modes on them. Way to have your lighting, all different colors. They change red. You walk in and out of the kitchen. You could probably see it better at night, but this is all the under cabinet lighting on, and they will shut off in a minute. So they're just on sensors. And if you're interested, I'll make sure I link them down below. All right, y'all, the time has finally come. I got Mr. on the hunt for some Juicy Peach plugins. Y'all know that's my new obsession. I've been telling y'all for about 3-4 videos I was gonna do my eyelashes, and I never did. So on today, I'm about to finally do them. These are the only things you need. I do not use hair glue. I showed y'all this lash glue 1,000,000 billion times. It works so good. And the tweezers. And make sure if you have them in a compromised place, you either put some hand sanitizer on your tweezers or some alcohol or something like that before you put these up around your eye. So you won't get the pink eye or a sty or anything like that if you're doing your own individuals. These are my favorite individual lashes. I will link them down below. Should I link them? I've been linking stuff, and when I go back to buy it, it be gone. But I like y'all, so. These, I don't like. I try to use them not to waste my money, but I don't like them. But I keep, well, you know, ladies that do their own clusters, we keep a stash. So let me get started, y'all. Lashes it just makes the difference. And I washed my hair. I just got out the shower like I told y'all. I'm going to put my short bob half a wig right back on because I don't have time with this heat. And I'm probably just going to wait August, September, October, November. Because I don't know what kind of hairdo I want for my birthday. And I don't know what hairdo. I don't even know what I'm doing for my birthday. Because y'all know I'm a birthday girl. And yeah, I'm doing something. So, I don't know. Yeah, but I don't feel like simple braids. And yeah, I ain't got time for it. So, let me do my eyelashes. And I will be back. And like that, they are done. Y'all, I love this fan so much. I told y'all about this fan before. It's hands-free, and it could come off the stand, but it literally dries as you go. Mr. got me this from a hair store we went into, but I will link some more like this down below. My big fan that I love that goes around my neck. This one is very good too. I will link this down below too, but this one doesn't come with a stand. It just comes with a lanyard to hang around your neck, but this is a great fan too. If you live in a hot place or whatever, or going on vacation, they're the best thing to have, and this is something that I would recommend to have on your makeup desk. I did also shave my little hairs. I just use the eyebrow archer to, y'all know, I'm about to be 43 years old. So y'all know you start getting hair on your face. So I shaved my top, the little fuzz. And I had a few hairs I also plucked. Just maintenance to keep myself up. I want to go get my nails done, y'all. But look how they're looking. They're still looking raggedy. I'm still mad about my nails too, y'all. Really ain't been having nothing going on. I do have a job interview coming up. And, school has started back. I want to send a prayer to everybody. Everybody with their kids have a safe, good school year for all the children and stuff like that. My nieces and nephews. And yeah, y'all, it's so much stuff going on in the world, and I've told y'all that before. And every time we turn on the news, or every time we look this way or that way, it's out there. Everybody knows what's going on in this world. We just got to stay prayed up. And again, I've said this before. It's not like I'm oblivious to what's going on in the world. I just feel like everybody sees enough of that. If there's ever a conversation that y'all would want to have, or I would love to be included in that conversation as a Black woman. But y'all know this stuff in this world is not right. And with my husband being Haitian, it's like you don't care about it until it directly affects you or someone in the people's, like, close to you or whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So I don't talk about a lot of things that I could actually talk about. I don't talk about on this channel because I feel like it's everywhere, and sometimes we can get heavy and weighted down with that. Just keep everybody lifted up in prayer. We are all people just trying to make it. There's bad people in every shade and color, and God gonna fix this. Sometimes it has to get bad to get better, and that's all I'm gonna speak on that. I will pick you guys up later once Mr. gets home. Hey y'all, I'm back, and it is 1 o'clock, and I just got my delivery. I told you I had took Shein off my phone, and I ended up putting it back on my phone, but I have not ordered anything else, y'all. So this is the package I was talking about, and I'm about to do a quick try on to show y'all the dresses. I fell in love. Y'all know I live in Florida, so any little throw on, lightweight, cutesy thing, I love. And they were having like a little flash sale. It has this little peplum in the front. This is the back. Y'all, I love this so much. This is perfect for the park, a date night. It goes all the way down to my ankles. And I love this color. Y'all know my favorite color is green. And for y'all that don't know, y'all probably know, but I only order on Sundays because it's always free shipping on Sunday. But y'all, look at this. Look how cute this is. And I can just put a little pasties. And yeah, some cute heels or sandals with a cute bag. And yes, y'all, and y'all know I love anything halter or around the neck. This is perfect for a vacation. It's doing just enough with some cute jewelry, pretty hair, and yeah. So this is the first one, and I'll have the picture of the dress with the name on the side so you can find it if you're interested. Y'all, this next one I absolutely love. I can do without this little gold piece right here. I might try to break it off, get Mister to try to break it off. I don't know, but it's still cute. I love this dress, y'all. Cute, comfortable, and I love that the sides are out. This is how the back looks, y'all. I love this dress so much. Y'all know I got it in multiple colors. It's kind of like the green one, but the sides are actually out, and I got this in a large. I feel like if I would have went down to a medium, that I wouldn't have enough room for my breast area to be comfortable. But y'all, this also goes down to the ankles. Thin, lightweight, and beautiful. They have this in multiple colors, and yeah, I love this so much for vacation, a date night, anything. Y'all know it's hot all year round in Florida, so I will get my wear out of this. And I love this detail right here in the front. So cute. Then y'all, I had to run this dress back and get it in the burgundy color. It took everything in me not to buy every color of this dress. I love it so much. See right there, this is a large. That's why I say if I would have went down any smaller, the cups would not have fit on me. Look at this burgundy. Date night on the beach, vacation somewhere or wherever. You can be free and sexy. I love stuff like this. It's so pretty. Again, I'm not really a fan of this, but it's there. So yeah, I still love the dress. I love the color on me. I love the fit on me. It's so beautiful. And I might have to go up there and get more colors. I think the only thing really stopped me was this. But I don't know, y'all. I just had to have these dresses. So let me know that in the comments. Do you like the dress? Would you wear the dress? And also, all these are like down to the ankle, flowy dresses. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back.